Phil, this is some story at Made Profiles. You started in 2014, I believe.
That's right, we did start in 2014. With just one machine and one operator, and I must say we've come a long way in a short period of time.
You have, you certainly have. And you've got 3 machines here from Kerf. Tell us about what they are.
The 3 machines we have on site, we have a flame cutting machine, we also have high definition at one end, and also a solely high definition plasma machine at the other end. We've just recently bought a 3rd machine, which is the UltraSharp plasma, which can cut up to 15mm thick in both mild and stainless steel.
Okay, so at the start of the journey, you bought this machine here behind us, which is the 3500, which has got the flame cut capability and the plasma, correct?
That's correct, that's right, yeah. It'll cut up to, well, at the moment we're cutting up to anything up to 250mm thick in flame cutting, and also up to 30mm thick in high definition plasma.
So why did you opt for a machine that gave you both of those disciplines? Is it for flexibility?
It is. It's imperative as a new startup business that we had total reliability with the machines, really. And that's where the team at Kerf come into play. We've developed a good working relationship with both the management team and also the service engineers. And as they say, we don't get a second chance to make a first impression. So it was key that the product that we were supplying to our customers was of excellent service, and the machines that Kerf supply give us that quality.
Now then, the second machine behind the other machine is purely a plasma, correct?
That's correct, yeah. That's solely just purely for plasma. It's a complete workhorse, really, that will cut up to 30mm thick. And the quality of the product it supplies is second to none.
And in your opinion, is that the difference between the flame cut and the plasma, the quality of product you can get off of the machine?
I think we offer a very good product with flame cutting. We've got very good operators on site with great experience. But the plasma, the edge quality that it does produce is second to none, and people have almost commented as though it's similar to that of a machine quality, really, to be honest with you. It's very, very good indeed.
So then what brought the UltraSharp into play?
We're very keen to try and get involved in other markets, and this machine gives us the opportunity to cut stainless steel as well. So we can cut up to 15mm in both mild and stainless. And as I say, in the coming months, the stainless market is something that we'd really like to tap into on the 304 and 316. And
I mentioned the UltraSharp because that was the 3rd machine that you bought, and that was very recently as well, wasn't it?
That's right, we've purchased that within the last 6 months, really. It's very, very good. We've worked with Kerf. One of the things that we wanted to try and eliminate was the profiles falling through the bed, and that's what we've done. We've narrowed the bed size down to 50mm, and not just large components, we can also cut quite small components on there as well.
Now Kerf's been a big part of this journey for you. How have they handled your company and your installations?
Oh, they're very, very good indeed, very flexible. As I say, we know the management team very well, but we also have a very good rapport with the service engineers. We've had the same service engineers turn up on a regular basis, and any slight teething problems that we've ever had, that not been many at all, Kerf have been on hand to give us that experience, and very, very good service indeed. Yeah, we can't complain, no faults.
And you've gone from 0 to turning over £1 million, I believe, in just over 2 years. Has Kerf been instrumental in that progress?
I'd say so, yeah. Without the machines and without the capabilities that we have to cut the steel, as I say, Kerf have been very, very, as you say, instrumental in helping us along the journey, really.
And technically, the mix of machines that you've got here with the 3 machines does give you a great mix or a great blend of machinery, because you can do, like you say, the flame cutting, but then you can go for the more precision cutting with the plasma and then the UltraSharp. Is the reason behind the 3 machines to give you that mix and flexibility?
Yeah, I think we've got to kind of have that flexibility. It's a very, very competitive market out there. There's a lot of people doing different services of sorts, and it's key that we just don't rest on our laurels.
And the size of the machines you've got, and we can see one's just about to start here. That's the plasma just about to start, I believe. The size of them, what is the bed sizes?
The bed size is 12 metres by 3 metres, so we can quite easily park a machine up at one end and utilise the full bed if needed to cut some extremely large profiles.
And you've managed to get all 3 machines in a fairly tight area in this machine shop. Does that mean that you're thinking there's going to be more behind us at some point?
Potentially, hopefully. At the moment, I think we're quite happy where we are, but I wouldn't say that in years to come we could look at expanding even further, hopefully.
I've got to say, Phil, it's a very good story, and Kerf have certainly done you guys justice here at Made Profiles.
Thank you very much.